Hey, what's up everybody? This is Linux Dude right here back with another video. This is an old computer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up Linux on here, PoP OS Linux to be exact. This is a Dell Latitude E6130. Supposed to be an i7, Intel i7 quad core, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I forgot what generation it was because it's that old. But yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, over here, this is my hard drive with a real operating system. I think I already have PoP OS in here. What you could do is you just pop this in there, turn it on, and then the OS would load, of course. But what we want is, what I want at least, is I want to put PoP OS in here. So let's do that. Now the first thing that we should do is we should unplug all the connected hard drives, such as this one. The original hard drive that came with the computer is actually on this bay right here, but that one's taken out. So with no hard drive whatsoever, we will not install PoP OS on a drive we don't want. We will only install it here. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I already have the install files here, right here. What we're going to do is we're going to plug it in one of our USB ports, like so, and we are going to turn it on. We're going to make sure to hit F12. Oops, there you go, F12. Now we're going to select USB storage device. I'm going to fast forward here. Okay, and here we are. This operating system right here is running through this USB right here. This is the install USB. This is where we want it to go. I'm going to plug this in right here. Excuse the mess, guys. Let's plug that in. Sees it right there immediately. We will go right here to install. English. United States. English US. We'll just use default. And erase everything, install a fresh copy of PoP OS, create install. This is the device. Remember, we saw this earlier, 120 gigs. Erase and install. Set whatever password you want. let's not do the encryption here. The encryption, for whatever reason, slows down the computer. There tends to be a lot of errors there for whatever reason. I choose not to do it, at least for the time being. You could do it later if you want. Okay, let's click the set password. Don't encrypt. And here we go. We are partitioning the drive. I will be back when this thing is done. I will see you in a little bit. Okay, as you can see, this is done. What we're going to do is we're going to go right here, restart device. Now we're going to turn this guy on. Let's take a look here. We're going to hit the F12 button as it's turning on. Okay. USB storage device. Let's take a look. Let's see how this works. Now, even though it says invalid partition table, I just hit enter and then it continues on with it. So watch it load. There you go. Oops, put the wrong password in there. Welcome to PoP OS. Look at that. There's no hard drive on this side of the bay. There's no hard drive here. Just this guy here. There you have it. We have PoP OS on a USB drive. Thanks for watching, fellas. Please leave a like. If you have any questions asked on the bottom of the comment sections, I will do my very best to take a look. And have a good one.